Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I invested in a $30 ring light and camera holder. I'm not a big YouTuber, but this room up here, it's my like walk-in. It's our extra bedroom that I turned into a walk-in closet, and it's so dark. So I'm just hoping I can get some better lighting in here. Anyways, I'm so backed up on videos. I wanted to do a quick video on two Chanel items pre-owned that I got over the last couple months that I'm really loving. One of them I've been on the hunt for literally years. And the other one is one that I had years ago that I sold and regretted. So I'll talk about that one now. Back in 2015, I bought this brand new and I loved it. And for whatever reason, I guess back then I used to not use things because I didn't want to get them dirty or worn. I don't know. And so then if I didn't use something, I would sell it. So, anyways, recently I've been loving the Cambon line again. You know how like the 90s and like the early 2000s are coming back in style? I always loved black and hot pink. So remember this wallet. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you will know that I had this. I bought it brand new in 2015. I think I paid $750 or $725 for it. I got this off a Japanese seller, and it came in brand new condition with all the, the box dust, or not dust bag, because back then it only came with felt, authenticity card, and it was in brand new condition. The only thing is that you can tell it was stored, like smushed. So the quilts are flattened. I don't care. This is calfskin and this is patent leather, but it was very stiff and pristine. Like you can tell nobody used it. I'm currently using it, by the way. So yeah, I was very excited to find it in brand new unused condition, since this is I think the last year they sold this was in like 2015. I don't know if my lighting is going to pick it up, but there are embossed CCs. Let me see. You can see a little bit, like this interior leather has CCs embossed in it. It has 6 credit card slots with 2 slots here. The interior fabric also has CCs on it. This is a 21 series. It says made in Italy right here in silver. And then it says Chanel with a CC here in silver. And then the hardware, what very little hardware it has, is in silver. And on this side, this is a coin compartment with the CC fabric again. And you can see how clean and pristine it is. Like, this was definitely not used at all, just kept brand new. I put business cards in here if I don't have coins. So yeah, I'm just really excited to have this. I think I paid $800 for it, which is basically plus tax what you would have paid when it was brand new in the store. So I'm really happy with it. I've been using it every single day since I got it, and I love it. So yeah, that's the first thing that I got. By the way, this is like my favorite style of wallet, the kind that you have a bill slot in where you don't have to fold the bills, and one that also has a coin compartment. But since it is a larger wallet, it doesn't fit in all of my bags. So I can't always carry it. Which leads me to the next item that I got. If you've been following my channel for a while, you will know that my favorite, I'm going to contradict myself here. My favorite style of Chanel wallet is the zippy, and I own a couple of them. I've been on the hunt for this next item for years, since it came out. It came out in 2017. But it is so popular and it sells for more than retail value, and it's ridiculously more. And there's a limit that I won't pay. So when this piece came up, I jumped on it immediately and I got it for a pretty good deal. Now I still paid over retail, but I still think I got a good deal on it. It is the 17B, the coveted rose gold, or Chanel called it light gold. 17B iridescent chevron caviar zippy coin purse by Chanel. Everybody calls it rose gold, but they called it light gold. It has silver hardware. I got this off of Poshmark from a seller that bought it off of Fashion File and still had the Fashion File paperwork. So yeah, it came with a full set, dust bag, authenticity card, box, and it's in really good condition. In fact, there's some just I actually don't see any major scratches on the hardware. There was just like one spot of dirt on the fabric, but I took some shout in a toothbrush and it came right off. So it's in, I would say, excellent condition. It was used, but you know, not much. It's in really good condition. And I think it was listed for like $850 and I offered $725 and she accepted. So that's a really good deal for these pieces, especially this Zippy, because it's a very popular piece. This one is made in Spain and it is a, let me see, 24 series right there. Yeah, like I have been looking for this exact piece since it came out. It is impossible to find. There has been one listed on Poshmark for years now for way overpriced at $1,750. I mean, the reason why it's still listed is because nobody will pay that and nobody will ever pay that for it. The person is insane. But I have seen this go for well over $1,000 and people do pay that. So I was really excited to get this for $725. I think that's a really good deal considering it came with all, you know, a full set. So super excited to have this. I just dropped my other wallet. Yeah, so yeah, excited to have these two pre-owned pieces in my collection. And yeah, I just wanted to do a quick reveal. Tell me what you guys think of the lighting. I don't have like the most exciting background here. Like this is my giant walk-in. I have my vanity right there. Just some of my Chanel bags in the background, but yeah, I'll play around with the lighting, you know, and I have so many videos that I need to do, so many like hauls and reviews and all that. If you guys have any requests, let me know. But anyways, thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.